Good morning everyone. I'm coming on to do a tutorial using this gorgeous set, and this is the card we're going to make today. The ink colours I have used are Pool Party and Balmy Blue. I've used some silver foil paper. I've used for white and silver baker's twine. I have used some of our metallic and some of our iridescent sequins, and I have used some basic rhinestones, but I think you'll see it as a beautiful card. So let's get on and start this. So we're going to be using this for our background, this and this, just to add our texture on it. So we need 1, 2, 3, and the sentiment is this big one here. Put that aside just now. I need my chamois out. There we go. Move them aside just now. And this is our stamping layer. So I'm going to mount that on there. And my larger block. So, Pool Party. And I'm just coming down here with it. And just give it a minute or so to let the ink transfer. And up. Then I'm going to turn the stamp and I'm going to do it again. Oops. That's a bit better. And this time I'm going to come round a wee bit. About there, I think. That seems fine to me. So we'll get that cleaned off. That's that one done. And we're finished with Pool Party now. Bring over our Balmy Blue. Mount that on. And just randomly stamp over the area that you've just done. Whoops, I'm glad it was over there. Paper wipe. Right, try again. Oops, I'm getting all over my block. Better. Right, so we're going to go here, like that, turn it. Going to turn my stamp as well. Going to go here, and then I'm just going to do a little bit at the bottom there. And that's it. Whoops. Throwing everything everywhere. Clean that up. Move that aside for a minute. cleaned. Mount my sentiment. Right. Then we've got this one, which is just little, basically like snowflakes, but like a flurry. There we go, that's fine. Move that there, put that aside. Bring in my sentiment banner. And let's just hope I can get this straight. Give it a minute to let the ink transfer. Perfect. Right, so give that a wee clean. That's all our stamping done. Move that aside, and I'm going to put all my stamps away while I'm done. Right. Oops. So, can get rid of the chamois. Rid of that. Rid of that. There we go. Sentiment banner. That's going over the top of there. That's going on there. But we need a little bit of braiding first. So let's get that on first. Right, so I need a glue dot. Oops. So I'm just putting my braiding onto the glue dot. Round once, round twice, round 3 times, and then we'll grab another glue dot. Make sure that's where I want it to be. Right there, and snip. And you can position that where you want it. Right, then we're going to put our sentiment banner on. So let me grab my tape runner. And that's just going across here, like so. It's a little overhang, so we just snip that away. then we actually add our sentiment. I've got a wee tiny bit of glue overhung, so I just need to fold that back on itself. Then we line that up on there. And again, we've got a little overhang, so just trim that off. Then I get my card base, which I buy pre-scored, and they are decal edged cut. I just think they add a wee something. Make sure it's burnished really well. Make sure that looks right on it. Yep. So add our tape runner. There we go. Just add that on there, like so. Make sure it's lined up where I want it. It's got to go up a little smidgen. That's it. Then we add our next layer. Another little glue cover. Right. So that's going to go on around there. That looks fine. Right. Then you're just decorating. So I've got one of these large ones, I think. No. What one did I use last time? One of the smaller ones. So I'll add that on there. And what I'm going to do is just add it with glue dots, just so that it stays put. So I'm actually adding one to this little arm. Then I'll add the other one at the other side. And it's just so it will lie over the braiding. There we go. Like so. And then we just need to position a few on. So if we add maybe that one there. Let me grab my glue pen and just add some glue. So I want it kind of framing the S. Okay, and I'm not sticking down this side, so it actually gives it a bit of a shadow. Okay. Then we can have small one underneath that. Let's see. We'll add that underneath. Oops. Let me just move that slightly. There we are. Right, so then we've got these are actually from the Blizzard die. I just die cut these out before I came on. Let me see, because there should be another one. That's just a little bit smaller. There we are. So that can come on there. Alright, and then we've got another two to go on. So we've got this one here. Oops, come on you. Got this one here. And another small one. So just add some glue. That can go wherever it likes. Add that one just up a wee bit. Come on you. That's that. Right. So now we just need to decorate over the top of it. So I'm just going to grab my rhinestones first, and we can put them on the centres of the stamped ones, just so they pop a little. That'll do that. Right, now we need the sequins. Where have I put these? Not there. I'm just going to tip a few on there so I can see. And the same with these ones. Just helps me to see what I'm working with. Grab my pickup tool, and now we just need to decorate. So just going to add a little bit of glue in there, bit of glue there, spot on there, spot there, and for this one I am going to be using a glue dot for the first layer, because it helps it with the braiding being underneath. So I'm going to put that on. Then I'm going to lift a blue glue dot. Like that. There we go. Right, so let me grab another blue for down here. There. Pick up tool works too well, I think. Right, and then we'll pick silver for over there, I think. A smaller silver for this one. And then we need some tiny ones. So there's a tiny silver. I think we'll put a tiny blue one in another one. Is that them? Yep. Right, so now I just need to layer up a few of them. Just another wee smidgen of glue. It's already glue coming through those ones. That's good. Right, so I need a smidgen of blue for there. And you go. Smidgen blue on. Then we need a smidgen of silver for this one. Another medium silver for the other one up there. There we go. And I think that looks fine. Yep, I'm really happy with how they turned out. And as you can see, with snowflakes, they are unique, and no two are the same, as is the cards. No two are the same. I really like that. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you can take away something from it, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.